I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or turn off sleep mode in Instagram. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So let's start with what sleep mode actually is. So sleep mode helps you pause notifications, reduce distractions, and limit app usage at night. So to turn on sleep mode, the first thing you need to do is open Instagram. As you can see, Instagram is right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, and then all you need to do is look at the bottom right where you can see your profile, and then you just need to tap on the top right where you can see the three-lined button. So after you're here, now what we need to do is find the option of notifications right below your activity. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you can find sleep mode right there. Just go ahead and tap there, and now all you need to do is turn on or turn off sleep mode right there. So all you need to do is toggle this button on to turn on sleep mode. So you have the option of start time and end time. So it's completely up to you. You can change it. You can also change the days. So if you only want sleep mode on Sunday, then sleep mode is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if you only want it on Tuesday, then you just need to press all the days except for Tuesday. So now it says sleep mode is on Tuesday. So if you want to turn it off, then just toggle it off and you're good to go. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.